Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your location on Yubo. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Yubo application. Firstly, you have to open your Yubo application. After opening the application, go to your profile by clicking on this profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Go to your settings. Now, after coming to your profile, you just simply have to go to your settings by tapping on this gears icon in the top right corner. After going to settings, just simply select the safety and privacy option. Step 3. Hide the location. Now, after going to the safety and privacy settings, just simply tap on this location setting here. After coming to location city, you can see this use my location option. You just simply have to toggle off that. After doing this, your location will be hidden from the public and to Yubo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.